Impormasyon, sundan ang aming Facebook page, DZME1530 o mag-login sa www.dzme1530.ph. Mula sa News Center ng DZME Radyo TV, ako po si Judea Bernardo.
Sumainyo ang DZME News Flash. Mga pangunahing balita na oras-oras inihahatid ng DZME News and Current Affairs. Abangan ang susunod pang maiinit na balita dito lamang sa DZME News Flash.
Oras sa Pilipinas, saktong alas 11 ng umaga.
Fuji Denso Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving products. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fuji Denso. Quality above all.
Kakain ka na lang, pinagtaya mo pa? Pusta de peligro yan! Uutang ka pa para makapaglaro? Pusta de peligro yan! Hindi ka na makabayad ng bills, kakahabol ng talo? Pusta de peligro yan! Ang gaming, dapat fun lang. Pag pusta de peligro na, pause na muna! DigiPlus is the parent organization of Bingo Plus, Arena Plus, and Game Zone. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Pag pusta de peligro na, pause muna. A message from DigiPlus.
Fuji Denso believes that appliances are long-term investments, so it is very important to choose wisely. And what could be a wiser choice than using reliable, durable, and energy-saving appliances from Fuji Denso? Just like families and companies trusting Fuji Denso, you will see the difference when you upgrade your usual appliances to Fuji Denso HD inverter appliances. Fuji Denso, quality above all. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fuji Denso. Quality above all. Whirlpool simplifies daily life with innovative appliances for laundry, cooking, and cooling. And at the heart of it all is the Whirlpool refrigerator, helping to keep your food fresh and your kitchen running smoothly day and night. With Whirlpool Zen Inverter technology, it cools efficiently and saves energy. Whirlpool, American innovation that works for your lifestyle. Making your world a little easier. Whirlpool. Prepare delightful dishes every time with Technogas Technique appliances. Experience excellent cooking results with Technogas Technique's premium selection of cooking ranges, range hoods, built-in hobs, ovens, and kitchen appliances. Technogas Technique combines elegance, functionality, safety, and durability to enhance your skills and passion for cooking. Make Technogas Technique your cooking partner and fill your kitchen with appliances made to last. That's the Technogas Technique.
Nangunguna sa balita, opinyon, musika, impormasyon, komentaryo at serbisyo publiko. Ito ang DZME 1530, Radyo TV.
Magandang umaga Pilipinas! Mula sa DZME Pinoy News Patrol, handa na kaming maghatid sa inyo ng inspirasyon at pag-asa ngayong linggo. Kasama sina Vilma Monteverde, Shane D. at Seth Vergara, ating susubaybayan ang mga maiinit na balita na may positibong epekto sa ating bansa. Samahan ninyo kami mula alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alauna ng hapon habang ating tinutunton ang landas tungo sa pagbabago. Heto ang mga nagbabagang balita. Mga bayarang troll farm ng China laban sa Pilipinas, booking! 449.5 bilyon monster pork barrel sa budget. Ipinawawalang bisa ng bayan muna sa Supreme Court. Kasong treason laban sa mga sangkot sa paninira kay Marcos at ibang opisyal ng gobyerno na pinunduhan ng China. Pangulong Marcos nagluksa sa pagkamatay ng